Good morning, I'm Madhurana, Department of IT from Pratyusha Engineering College. The topic what I'm going to take is the public key crypto system from the subject cryptography and network security. Before going to the topic, let me clarify a few of the terms which we're going to use inside this topic. The terms which we're going to use are, one is the public key, the next one will be the private key, encryption and the decryption. First, let me tell you what is public key. Public key is nothing but which is the key which should be known by all the users who are present in the communication. And next comes the private key. Private key which will be known only by the owner. And next is the encryption. Let me tell you encryption with an example. For example, if I want to transfer the message, okay, consider we're going to have two persons, one is A and other one is B. I want to transfer a message, Pratyusha Engineering College, from the person A to the person B. If the message is going to be the secured one, if any of the third person reads the message, it should not be understood by that person. So what we should do here is, we're going to provide a scheme which is called as the encryption. So we'll be using any of the keys, either the private key or the public key, along with the message and with the algorithm, and which will convert it into a coded data, which is called as the encryption. And this encoded data will be passed to the communication channel. And again, next comes the decryption. What is decryption here is where we have to get the original message, where we have to get back the original message. So what we should do to get back the original message, we have to apply some algorithm or keys along with the message to get back it. That is called as the decryption. And here we will see all these terms in detail when we go inside the topic. Next, go back to the definition. Okay, now we're going to see what is public key crypto system. Okay, so the public key crypto system is nothing but where we're going to use pair of keys, that is the private key and the public key. It's an encryption technique. Public key crypto system is an encryption technique where we're going to use these two keys and we're going to transfer the information in a secured manner. This is called as the public key crypto system. Okay, so now let me go to the 6 ingredients. Okay, what are the base of the public key crypto system? Here we'll be using the 6 basic terms. The first term is going to be the plain text. What is plain text? It's nothing but, I told you here, if you're going to transfer some message between A and B, what we have taken here, Pratyusha Engineering College. This is the message which I am going to transfer from the person A to the person B. So here comes Pratyusha Engineering College, which is called as the plain text. And next, which is the encryption, which we discussed already. And okay, so what we're going to do encryption? Here I am going to take the original message Pratyusha Engineering College and I am going to apply some algorithm and some keys and I am going to convert that into the coded data, which is called as the encryption. So you can either use this public key or either you can use the private key. So after coded data, the coded data which is called as the ciphertext. So the Pratyusha Engineering College, where we applied some algorithm and we converted that into the some coded data. This coded data is called as the ciphertext. And next, this ciphertext again we are going to pass back to the communication channel. So that is called as the decryption. And we are going to get back the original data. Next, actually under the public key crypto system, we are going to concentrate only on the two main subheadings. The first subheading is going to be the encryption and the next one is going to be the authentication. We know what is encryption and we know what is public key and what is private key, what is plain text, which all the terms we discussed earlier. Now we go to the concept of the public key cryptography encryption. So what here they are going to do here is, we have taken the original message, that is the plain text, Pratyusha. We have taken, we'll follow the example, the plain text. As of now we are going to consider the plain text is going to be the Pratyusha Engineering College. So I am going to take my plain text as the Pratyusha Engineering College. And what I am going to do here is, I am going to apply the encryption algorithm. You have many algorithms, here we have taken the RSA algorithm. So the thing here is, you have set of keys, that is all these keys are the public key. What is public key? Which will be known by all the users who are present in this communication. So this I am going to encrypt the plain text along with the Alice. We have taken only the person Alice. So Alice public key and this encoded data which we will be calling that as the ciphertext. So we are going to transfer that ciphertext in the communication channel. And next, what we will do in the decryption side? Similarly, we have to decrypt the data along with the key and the algorithm. So Since it is a public key, will be known by all the users. Private key will be known only by the owner of that particular person. So here, Alice private key, where we are going to decrypt with the help of the Alice private key, and we'll get back the original data. This is the encryption. And next is the public key cryptography authentication. Before going to the topic, we should know what is authentication. Authentication is nothing but which verifies the user identity. Okay, let me go with an example. Usually, if you want to log in or if you want to access a mail, or we'll be accessing a mail with the help of the username and the password. Consider, if I'm going to, my mail ID is anuradha.it@pratyusha.edu.in. So, if I give my mail ID, I have to give the password. So, password will be known only by me. So, this is an example also for the private key. So, earlier we discussed private key which will be known only by the particular person. So, authentication is nothing but which is the identity of the particular user. Okay. And the same example, we're going to take the plain text as the Pratyusha Engineering College. And here we are going to encrypt with the private key. So private key which will be known only by that particular person. So which is also called as the digital signature. And next we are going to transmit that text into the, that is the cipher text. We are going to decrypt it using the same, because we have encrypted using the box private key. So we have to decrypt here using the box public key, and we'll get back the plain text. And next. So what are the advantages? Why we are going for this public key crypto system? The main advantage, totally the public key crypto system is for security. So where you are going to have the increased security. And next is the digital signature. Digital signature is also an example for the private key. So which will be known only by the particular user. And what is the drawback here? Compared to the other algorithm or other scheme, this is going to be less faster. Actually, it is less faster. It is faster but less faster. And next, it is not suited for the single user environment. For example, I told you username and password we are going to have, where it is going to be the single user environment. So this case of environment where we will not be using the public key crypto system. Only for the multiple user environment we will be going for the public key crypto system. Okay. Now, let me summarize all the topics what we have discussed, all the subheadings. Okay, so what is the topic we discussed here is the principle of public key crypto system. So what is public key crypto system? It is nothing but it's an encryption technique which will be using two pairs of key. One is called as the private key and other is the public key for the secure data communication. And we have discussed few of the basic terms, which is the encryption, decryption, public key, private key, what is ciphertext. Hope you are clear with the topic. Let us see in the future. Thank you.